Hello to my vlog. I'm so glad that you guys are here because we have a very iconic, very important vlog to film today. As you can see, I'm currently in a camper. This is not my house, this is our camper, and we are on our cross-country road trip. All of that being said, I'll show you guys our setup in a minute. I have a very important item that I thrifted. I am going to model it, I think. And it's not just any item. Should I just show you guys? Okay, so basically on our road trip, we have been to White Sands, New Mexico. And while we were there, I thrifted the most beautiful wedding dress. At least I think it's beautiful. I haven't tried it on yet. And I only saw like not the full thing, so I don't know if there's a train. I have no idea. There's this really weird veil. I'll show you guys. And I thought, what better way to celebrate us being on our road trip, being in all these beautiful locations, than modeling this dress. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys the dress. I'm gonna try it on for the first time. We're gonna see if we like it, if we should actually do the photos. And I'm gonna show you our camper setup too. So a little bit about our road trip before we jump into it. We have been on the road. Let me actually check. So we have been on the road for over 2 weeks. When we leave this campsite, it's gonna be 3 weeks exactly, which is actually, now that I think about it, shorter than our previous road trips, but that's okay. So our first stop, we stopped in White Sands, New Mexico for White Sands National Park. So pretty. I would love to go back there. Like, the actual national park is so insane. Like, the feeling of vastness, it was so pretty. I'm gonna include some clips and stuff for you guys to see. It was really fun because there was just like so much space to like run around and do whatever you want. So it never felt overcrowded or anything like that. And then after that, we went to, let's see, our first stop was Page, Arizona after that. So I did a shoot at Horseshoe Bend, which was so pretty. The couple was so nice. We always love Page. Like, just the area, it's just so pretty, and there's just like some fun stuff to do there. So we went to Page, Arizona. We did a fun little boat tour around Lake Powell. Then we went to Hurricane, Utah, or as the locals pronounce it, Hurricane. It's also known as like the St. George area. It's right outside of Zion. We didn't actually go into Zion because we've been to Zion 2 times at this point. We just like the area in general. So we were in St. George a lot. We were there for a couple days, and then we actually drove to Carlsbad, California. That was about a 7-hour drive, and that was our last campsite. So we were in, it's kind of like, it's like 45 minutes north of San Diego. So we actually dropped our camper off in Carlsbad and then went to my uncle's house and saw my uncles for 2 days in LA, and then we were at Carlsbad campground for 3 days. And now here we are, our final stop. We're currently in Coronado Island, or on Coronado Island in San Diego. This is our last stop before we start heading home. We are stopping along the way to see a few friends. We're stopping to see our friend Preston. We're also stopping to see my sister Lindsay in Nashville. So our trip home is going to be a little bit longer, but we're kind of turning this into the Cassidy and Charlie tour, and we're stopping to see people. I thrifted this wedding dress at the beginning of our trip, and I really want it to work, because how iconic would it be to do a shoot in a thrifted dress that ends up being gorgeous. So I'll show you guys the dress, and then let me show you guys our campsite. Okay, so in case you guys didn't know, this is what our camper looks like. We just have a little tiny kitchen, little seating area, and then we have bathroom, shower. This is actually the dress right here. If you go this way through the camper, this is our kitchen. Again, dining room, and then our bed. We keep most of our clothes underneath the bed. It like folds up, and then a lot of our kitchen stuff are in these cabinets. Here's the dress. I haven't actually taken it out of this bag yet. I saw, you can kind of just see the top of the dress. So the first thing that's a little peculiar about this dress is the fact that it comes with this like veil thing. Oh my gosh, it's so long. I had no idea. Okay, so I knew that this, oh my gosh, it's so long. Okay, holy cow. Oh my gosh, I had no idea. The dress comes with this thing, okay? But then look, it's like a circle. So maybe it goes like, oh wow. Okay, so it goes like this, and then you're supposed to have a bun there. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna use this. Like this? Wait, that's kind of cute. I might have to FaceTime my mom to figure out what that thing is. Gorgeous, okay. Now for the dress. Are you guys ready? Look at these sleeves. Okay. There's like all these ruffles. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then look at this detail on the neck. Look at the front. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll be right back. You guys, I don't even have it zipped fully. I need Charlie to come zip it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous, you guys. I just need Charlie to zip this thing up. This is killing me. Here's the other dilemma I'm having with this dress. I don't know how to do my hair when the neckline is so high. So like, because the neckline's so high and the sleeves are such a moment, I feel like my hair needs to be like up and back, right? But is that giving like Pilgrim? Is that giving Little House on the Prairie? Or is that giving like she's the moment? But also, how pretty would this be if like my hair was flowing? I need Charlie to get back here. Oh, he just got here. Okay, perfect. Here it is. Wait, let me button these. Okay, here it is. Here's the back.
The top isn't all completely zipped, but that's okay. Let me do a little pan down so they can see what the train looks like at the bottom. A waterfall of lace.
I asked my mom about this thing.
Yeah, this is definitely an 80s.
She said that the hole is just to support your, like if you wanted to like ever like bobby pin it down, like that's what it would be for.
Cassidy, you literally look like you're getting married in the 80s right now.
It's kind of cute. All right guys, it is 8 p.m. in the camper. And I have made the unfortunate decision that I'm going to cut up this wedding dress. I did a Photoshop rendering right before this. Not gonna do anything too crazy, but I'm gonna change it. So basically I am going to take the top of this, all of this like mesh stuff right here, I'm gonna cut it. So it's just this like collar piece around my neck and then it's like lace, so there's no like lace on my chest. We're gonna give it a whirl, see how it turns out. Okay, here's the neck piece. She's still cute. Okay, we're gonna get rid of all of this. Okay, here we have it. There's no longer mesh, but we still have our cute little collar. I have to trim this still. So, I guess we'll see in the morning how it looks. We did the photos! Update, there were sand fleas. Charlie kept having these mysterious bites that kept showing up all over him, and we're pretty sure they were sand fleas. And it's really nasty. I did sit in them, which means I think my dress is infested. I'm gonna get this thing off ASAP, and I'll show you guys some of the results because I know it's killing you on the inside.
We're dying.
Yeah, so, okay. I'm gonna get in some warm clothes and
eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Talk to you guys soon.
If I wish you well, I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find harmony. I wish you good. I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. I wish you well. Discovering my life.
Yeah, here we are. Here we are.
And you doing the things you do. try to dim the thing that makes me me. I wish you well, I wish you peace. I hope that we'll find harmony. I wish you good, I wish you well. I hope that this is our farewell. I made up my mind this time. I'm done with your lies this time. I think I'm numb to it. I'm outgrowing the stretch. I think I'm finally in a space to say I wish you well, I wish you peace. I hope they will find harmony.
Hi guys, I'm currently in Joplin. Oh, look who it is.
Oh, hello. What's up?
I'm currently in Preston's studio. I want to show you guys. First of all, look how cute. Oh, and there's Charlie. Oh, hey.
Hey.
And then he's got all these fun backdrops.
They call it the Rainbow Wall.
The rainbow wall.
Rainbow Wall.
Rainbow road.
Rainbow Road.
So he's got these fun little backdrops. And then this is it.
But you gotta show over here.
Oh.
Don't come far away though. You can get the full aesthetic. There you go.
Yeah, that's cute. That's basically it. We're just here. We did a couple of shoots and we're gonna go eat some lunch. So yeah. Sorry, I literally jumped from California to here, but we did get caught in a tornado this morning. Not actually a tornado, but
The tornado passed through.
yeah. So we were hiding in the closet this morning, but it's bright and sunny, so.
So now we're out of the closet. Welcome to Missouri. That's normal, so.
Yeah, apparently that's like normal just to wake up and have a tornado. So, okay, that's it. Bye. We are back home in Michigan and surprise, I chopped my hair. As people like to say, I did a thing and chopped my hair. Anywho, that's not even what this vlog is about. This vlog is about the thrifted wedding dress. I know, full circle, we're coming back to it. So I'm actually sitting here editing the photos. They're finished and I'm gonna put them all on the screen right now because truly there is nothing more fulfilling than seeing a vision come to life. And I, before the shoot, sat Charlie down, showed him some of my inspo pictures, and I think he absolutely nailed it with the vibe and paired it with the editing. Just chef's kiss. I love how these photos turned out. I think it was just like a fun little side quest for me just to mess around with this dress, see if I can turn it into something. And truly, this is one of the most beautiful dresses. I don't know what to do with the dress now though. Like, what does one do with the wedding dress? They're already married and it was $30, so it's not like I have this big attachment to it. I don't know, we'll see. I did wash it like earlier this morning, so there's that. It's clean now at least. Anywho, that's gonna be the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna be back with some spring vlogs very soon. Obviously I have my new hair, so it's my whole new personality, so you're gonna be getting lots of new hair chop bob content. Okay guys, that is all. Okay, what do I want you guys to do? Like, subscribe, follow, comment, follow me on Instagram, recommend me to your friends, and yeah, that's basically it. Have a great day. Thank you guys for joining.
Farewell.